The language we're going to use in this class is Java, and what you need to do is you need to do a search for the Java Development Kit. It's just always abbreviated JDK, and we want version 8 download. Okay, and if you do a search on that, at least on DuckDuckGo, this is the first hit that will come up. So it's on the Oracle website, Java Technologies, Java SE, and then JDK 8 downloads. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. And you have to scroll a ways to get to the downloads, and they put Windows at the bottom. We want Windows, and you almost certainly want the 64-bit version. So let's go ahead and click on that and check off the box, and then we'll download it. Okay, so it wants me to create an account. You never used to have to do this. Okay, I went and did all the stuff for creating an account. Now I'm going to try to download it again. Okay, let's try that again. And now it's letting me download it, so I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder. And it's downloading pretty quickly. I'm going to double click on this so it will execute when it opens or when it downloads. Yes. And I think we're just going to take all the defaults here. I'm not sure, but we'll see as we work our way through it. I think that's the one we want. Let's go ahead and we're going to take the default location here. Let's choose next. And I think I'll pause this, and this may take a little while, and we'll resume the video after everything is downloaded. Okay, we're going to skip the next steps. We'll click on Close here. And we should now have the Java software installed on our computer. The other thing we need is we need to have a development environment, basically a text editor, where you can edit your programs and you can run your programs and debug your programs. And we're going to use IntelliJ, and we'll do that in another video.